Lift it slowly, watch the alignment. Got it, bringing it over now.
The next step is critical. Robotic arms align the bamboo for the high-speed cutters, turning raw material into precision components for luxury goods. The freshly split bamboo is polished into a smooth, premium quality material, removing microscopic rough fibers. Utilizing advanced AI vision, this laser system meticulously scans the woven bamboo, guaranteeing flawless quality before the final cut.
The advanced robotic arms move with synchronized precision, fastening the stainless steel components.
With the automated systems ensuring precision, the luxury bamboo handbags are loaded and prepared for worldwide distribution.